Hello friends, welcome to your channel Fundor. Summer vacations has started and of course we don't want much screen time for kids. Board games are best to engage and entertain kids. So we are here with the best board game season 3. First in this series is a new game Panchayat. Panchayat is for age 14 plus and 1 to 4 players can play at a time. Each player will get an empty village board and players have to convert it into a beautiful village. There are different types of buildings available to place on village board. Every building tile has some victory points and bonus or losses. Ultimate aim of this game is to win most victory points and develop best village in just 8 turns. Let's see components of the game. Inside the box we have a rule book. Panchayat has 18 different buildings classified into 5 building types: general, commercial, industrial, residential and utility. There are 4 village boards in 4 different colors: green, white, black and brown. Reference cards have details about building tiles. Players use this as a reference while playing. One scoreboard. This is for tracking victory points of all players. Players raise their player markers on the scoreboard. 50 VP tokens. 5 types of adjacency bonus tiles. 4 types of placement bonus tiles. And 18 endgame bonus tiles. These are solo game cards. These are not required in 2-player gameplay. Now let's set up a game for 2 players. For 2 players we don't need all 68 building tiles. Remove mentioned building tiles from the deck. If more than 2 players are playing, then we can use all 68 building tiles. Keep scoreboard at the center and player markers on 0. Each player take 1 village board and a reference card of the same theme. Place 50 VP tokens for both players near scoreboard or building tiles deck. Shuffle all the building tiles and place them facing down. Pick any 4 endgame bonus tiles randomly and place them face up. Players randomly choose 1 adjacency bonus tile and 1 placement bonus tile and place them on any square on their village board. Pick top 3 building tiles from deck and place them face up in a row. This row is called as old buildings. Ensure you have some space above old buildings for new buildings row. Also keep some space below for 2 more tiles. Game setup is done. Now let's play the game. Player who most recently visited a village gets the first chance to play and then moving clockwise. On their turn, player must take 3 actions in order: collect building tiles, place building tiles and score victory points. Player will pick top 3 building tiles from the deck and place them face up in new buildings row. Choose any 2 from 6 visible building tiles and place them on village board. Decision of choosing building tile and placing them correctly on village board is most important. Let's observe the building tile very carefully. This is name of the building. Here we have victory points and this is bonus effect. Take a look at village board also. This is river side, this is farm side, this is the village and this is the village center. Every building type has different bonus effect. If you place a statue in village center, you will get 1 bonus point. If you place a granary near farm, you will get 1 bonus point. If you place a Pandit house near temple, it will give you 2 bonus points. So player need to calculate which building tile is going to get most of the victory points out of the 6 visible tiles and then choose most beneficial tile to place on the village board. Move the player marker on scoreboard. Place the remaining new building tiles in any of the columns in old building and then next player takes turn. He also picks 3 cards from the deck. Choose any 2 of them to place on the village board. Move player marker and keep rest of the new building tiles in old buildings row. The game continues for 8 turns for each player. If you have multiple tiles in old building columns, we can pick the topmost only. This you cannot. Pick the topmost tile first and then only you can pick this. If you wish to place a building tile in old building column having 3 tiles already, you have to move all 3 tiles to the discard pile and then place the building tile in that column. If building tiles deck runs out, shuffle the tiles from discard pile and create a new deck and continue the game. If victory points cross 49, collect a 50 VP token, move the player marker to 0 and continue playing game. These 50 VP points will be added to your scoreboard points at the end of the game. Utility tiles have some special powers. If you have a post office on your village board, allows you to select topmost tile from the discard pile. This power is for the whole game. If you have a railway station, it allows you to move a building tile on your village board. This can be used only once. Once you have used the power, rotate the railway station tile, which denotes it is used. Check the placement bonus tiles also. This is symbol of building type. These are the victory points. Placing the right type of building tile on placement bonus tile earns 2 additional victory points. There are 5 different types of adjacency bonus tiles. Placing a building tile on adjacency bonus tile earns 1 additional victory point for every building that matches condition on bonus tile. This says you will get 1 additional victory point for each house on your village board. You will get 1 additional point for every building near farm. You will get 1 additional point for every building in the village center. You will get 1 additional victory point for every building near river. You will get 1 additional victory point for every building which is adjacent to this tile but not diagonally. Game ends after all players have completed 8 rounds. All village boards have 16 building tiles. Players check endgame scoring and decide the winner. Most cow sheds. Players having most cow sheds on their village board will earn 10 victory points. If it's a tie, all tied players will get 10 victory points. Endgame bonus tiles. Players having largest number of building tiles mentioned on the endgame bonus tile earns 5 victory points. The player must have at least 1 of each building tile mentioned on the endgame bonus tile. Here we have school and temple. If one player have 2 temple and 2 schools and another player have 3 schools and 2 temples, the player having 3 schools and 2 temples get 5 points because in total he have more points. This is how all 4 endgame bonus tiles are checked and players get 5 additional victory points if applicable. All players earn 2 victory points for each building tile in the largest group of commercial, industrial, utility and residential tiles. General building tiles are not considered for endgame scoring. That's it about Panchayat. I hope you like this game. This is easily available on Amazon. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and also press the bell icon for more amazing videos.